Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today I would like to show you just local updates and local zone of interest for yield basis after listing with my customer care set. Let's dive in. Alright, guys, I hope you finally go and watch the free educational video how to work with initiation accumulation pump model. So you can use this model absolutely for every single altcoin after listing when we get just one daily candle close. We need to close them there daily. After that, you can just build a model, build the levels of market makers and track that levels. Also, small tip, just by my personal experience, better weight daily candle close, and the better find the lowest listing price between exchanges. So it's just you just reduce the risk and find the best entries. So this is going to be the best entry, 22.22, 17.99. It's the best zone to buy. This is a first zone of interest, so you can add 4 limit orders to trade this token. So this not so far from the first zone. It's going to be the blue one, for example, the blue one, this one. And the zone for fixation swing trades is going to be here. This is a zone where you need to fix some swing trades. So here, for example, it's 100% you withdraw initial deposit. If we drop lower, here 159%, here's a 265, 360. After that, you can leave some tokens for the new all-time high. Do you believe in new all-time high, guys? Everything possible. We can invalidate this idea, dump on the listing price on the KuCoin, and KuCoin it's the lowest listing prices, or even go to all-time high. We just build the plan where to buy, where to out, with proper money management and the risk management. So that's it. I totally don't care if the yield basis tomorrow will be $10 or tomorrow will be 1 cent. I totally don't care. I work with these zones, to speculate these fancy, useless, absolutely useless random altcoins. So this is it. This is without any romantic about all of this tokens. This is just a basic assets for trades, nothing more. So this is zone of interest. If the token not drop to zone of interest, you just skip the token. Pretty simple. There's a million tokens to trade. So you just mark your zone, add alert, for example, here, and wait that target. If you get alert, you see the notification, you go into log here, check all alerts and open trades. Open trade on the spot, futures, count the proper money management, risk management, the position, leverage. So working a complex, pretty simple, but at least you get a plan. What you will do if the price will drop to this area. I'll do that. I skip. I not tight this token. I wait lower. I just prepare myself for entry for the 5-minute time frame, for 1 minute time frame. You build a plan. So pretty simple, guys. That's why on this channel we're not talking about moon targets. We talk about a plan. So this is zone of interest. Invalidation of this idea if the token dump like Starknet, for example, on the listing price. In this case, these zones will be valid, but like resistance. So build a plan and work with that plan. So now let's go double check with my customer set what we else do now with this token on a lower time frame, because locally on daily still not enough data for analysis for indicators. So ADZ direction, no data. No yet. 1 hour time frame. Here, 1 hour time frame. This is basically accumulation zone. But I wish to see that divergence. I wish to see the drop lower 38.55, 31.81. So this is the first zone of interest for the trades. Future spot, it's up to you. Direction, not touching the bottom. So it's not bullish, not bearish. Of course, it's not like crazy time to sell. But of course, it's not a crazy time to buy. If you want to open trade, short position, I don't know, you can try this one, but it's like tiny leverage, tiny leverage, tiny stop loss. So here 255 and I don't know, 255 for stop loss. So let's say 5 cents. Let's say 5%, 10% with second leverage against 44% with second leverage. Take profit. Nice one. You can try it. You can try 4 hour time frame. There is no gaps, so nothing. This gap down, this gap down. So I think we go lower by end of this week. Take a look the markets mode. Of course, it's AFRIA, 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, nice one. So this was AFRIA. So here, everything ended. Now it's 1 hour time frame on 1 hour time frame. It's disbelief capitulation area. So I wish to see the drop of 38.55, and after that maybe try to open some long position for the bounce. Nice one, nice one. This is my plan. Money power. This is a money in on 1 hour time frame. The same story. We need to see the something on 4 hour time frame and 12 time frame. Now nothing, no data. Trade on, no data. 1 hour, a 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, no data. 30 minutes time frame. It was just a local scalp. The last one was here, October 16. So yesterday, here was a pretty good trade, like 23. So with second leverage, it was like 46%. Nice one. So you can track everything by yourself with my custom set. The last indicator, guys, take profit. Take profit here. The buy line now on 30 minutes time frame, it's 40 cents 20. For the Waldo 29.94. Take profit 79.61. Exit line 689.97. Good one. So you can track and add alerts for that levels and wait. Zone of interest relevant. We'll come back to this token and to this video later. So once again, guys, I highly recommend go and check free educational video how to work with this model. So I will not explain in every single video for altcoins. I will not explain how to work with this model. So no makes sense to repeat again and again and again. Just educational tutorial how to work with this model. Also, how to work with my indicator set. You can find the tutorial in the pinned message of free Telegram channel. All information totally for free. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what you think about this stock. And if you'd like to trade with my custom market site, what I showed in this video, write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you.